Area is found with this nice little formula when you are in radian mode. This finds the area of any sector. Now what's a little bit different with this one is they give you the area, so they're going to give you 6 pi as the area. They're going to give you your number of radians, and they're interested in r. Now what I will tell you is that when you're solving, first let me do a little simplifying here. So you know enough to know that you've got to isolate the r squared so you can take the square root of both sides. Now what will often happen is that students will choose to divide by the square root of 6 to both sides, which is a valid thing to do. The problem is that they get to this point and don't know how to divide by pi over 6. So what I would suggest to you is, instead of dividing by pi over 6, to multiply by the reciprocal. Multiplication seems to be a much simpler task than the division, and so the goal becomes for you to basically find out what that is, and then over here you get an r squared because these items divide each other out to give you 1r squared. So my clue to you ultimately is, and it's not a big clue, but multiplying by a fractional value is always easier than dividing by one.